At number 1, we have the Alienware M18 R2. This is the best Dell laptop you can buy on the market, and stands as one of the most powerful gaming laptops available, featuring Intel's Core i9-14900HX processor paired with NVIDIA's RTX 4090 GPU with 16GB of GDDR6 VRAM. The laptop comes equipped with up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM and can accommodate up to 8TB of storage in RAID 0 configuration. Its 18-inch display offers two options: a Quad HD Plus panel with a 165Hz refresh rate, or in Full HD Plus panel with an impressive 480Hz refresh rate, both supporting NVIDIA G-Sync technology for tear-free gaming. Thermal management is handled by Alienware's Cryo-Tech cooling system, utilizing 4 ultra-slim fans, 7 copper heat pipes, and a vapor chamber design. This system maintains reasonable temperatures even under heavy gaming loads, though the fans can get notably loud during intensive tasks. The laptop features a comprehensive port selection, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and Ethernet connectivity. The optional Cherry MX ultra-low profile mechanical keyboard provides tactile feedback and customizable RGB lighting. For networking, it supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard and includes a 1080p webcam for streaming and video calls. Gaming performance is exceptional, with the ability to run demanding titles like Cyberpunk at high frame rates exceeding 100 FPS at maximum settings. The 97-watt-hour battery provides limited runtime during gaming sessions, but this is expected given the high-performance components. So that sums up